What's going on, guys? It's Connor here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install these aftermarket headlights on your 2003 to 2007 Chevy Silverados and Chevy Avalanches. Alright, and so as you can see here, we have the instructions. They show you basically how to do everything, as well as you get the lights, and in here are the bottom turn signal lights. Because on the Silverados, you have the low beams and high beams, and then daytime running and turn signals. And as you can see, over time they just kind of get faded. Like, this truck has almost 300,000 miles on it, and I'm pretty sure these are the original lights, so it is going to be a very nice upgrade. And so luckily with these trucks, it's very easy to change the headlights. You actually don't even have to take the grill off. You just pop open the hood, you can slide the top light out, and then you pop a clip on the bottom light and they both come out. And this is also a disclaimer: when you're reinstalling your bulbs, you can see here, make sure you angle them down, because you'll just blind people. Alright guys, so first things first, we just got to get the hood popped open. Nice and easy. Lever down here. Alright. Alright guys, and so like that is exactly how you install these aftermarket headlights on 2003 to 2007 Chevy vehicles. They turned out amazing. As you can see, I actually did a mod down here for switchback lights. Now if you order these directly from that company, they will not be doing it. But if you'd like to purchase these headlights, the link is in the description of the video. So thank you for watching this video. Take care and have a nice day. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.